Bonjour! Bonjour les amis, je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue! Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy that you could join our class today. And if you say bonjour Ananas, she will join our class also. Can you say bonjour Ananas in a nice loud voice? Bonjour Ananas! Oh, voilà Ananas! Oh, so nice to see you Ananas! Elle va dire bonjour aux amis. Ça va bien, Ananas? Oui, having a good day? I hope you're having a fun day. And we're going to have a lot of fun in today's lesson because we are going to review all the O sound words. So I hope you're ready to play the guessing game with our words. Here we go. Let's start with the color. On va choisir une couleur aujourd'hui. Can you repeat the colors nice and loud with me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Did you want to pick the color today? Tu veux choisir? Oh, can you say it again? Oh, violet. Ok, on va choisir violet aujourd'hui. So you are watching, this series is called French with Ananas, Lesson 4.5, O Sound. Leçon 4.5, son O. Well, let's get started. So the way this lesson works is I'm going to show you a clue and see if you can remember what picture this is and the name of the image. Do you know the name of this object? Oh, if you said rose, you are correct. Yay! C'est une rose. Can you say rose? Bravo. Are you ready for the next one? Okay, here's your clue. Oh, do you remember? Oh, there's the picture. Do you remember the word? If you said noix de coco, you are correct. Bravo. Noix de coco. Good job. On continue, les amis. I'll show you a little clue. Oh, there's your clue. Do you remember the word for this toy? A yo-yo. Yo-yo. Bravo. Let's see if we can find another clue. Oh, Qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you remember the French word for this? Globe. Un globe. Bravo. Let's move on. Ah, Do you remember the French word for this? This delicious snack. Du chocolat. Du chocolat. Did you say chocolat? If you did, you're correct. Let's keep moving on for new clues. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ananas, do you know what this is? Oui, Ananas remembers also. Let's see if you got it right. Did you say soleil? If you said soleil, you are correct. Bravo. On continue. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? That begins with the O sound. Oreiller. Oreiller. Bravo. Continue. Qu'est-ce que c'est, mes amis? Did you guess? Tomate. Tomate. Bravo. Oh, there's your clue. Qu'est-ce que c'est? That begins with the F sound. Did you guess forêt? Forêt. Bravo. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Regarde, Ananas. Do you remember the word for lots of colors? Des perles multicolores. Multicolores. Bravo. Oh, do you remember what this is called? Let's see. Do you remember? Begins with the sound. Motoneige. If you said motoneige, you are correct. Motoneige. Good remembering. Our next clue. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Avocat. Avocat. Good for you for remembering that one. What is our. Oh, ananas. These are beautiful. Très joli. What are they called? Do you remember the French word for this flower? Tournesol. Tournesol. Bravo. Let's find our next clue. Oh, mmm, something delicious. Do you remember the French word? Olive. If you said olive, you are correct. Bravo. Continue. Oh, Do you remember the French word for this object? Pot. Un pot. Good job. Continue. Qu'est-ce qu'on va trouver? Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, mes amis? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Delicious fruit. Un fruit. And what is it called? It begins with the O sound. Orange. Good remembering. Orange. Bravo. On continue. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, ananas? Do you remember ananas? Oui, ananas. Ananas has a good memory. She remembers. Stylo. Did you say stylo? Then you are correct. Stylo. Oh, what could this be? Do you remember this word? This word ends in a O sound. Do you know it? Lavabo. Good remembering, mes amis. Lavabo. Good job. On continue. Est-ce qu'on a un autre O? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you remember that big long word for those big animals? Wow. If you said rhinoceros, you are correct. Rhinoceros. Wow, that's a long one. Rhinoceros. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you remember the French word for this? Une photo. Photo. Wow, les amis. Good remembering. Good job. Let's move on. Oh, c'est une question. It's a question pour madame. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Ananas, je vais chercher mon sac. I have it right here. Mon sac. Mon sac. Sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? On va regarder dans le sac. Ananas, do you want to look in there? Tu veux mettre ta main? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? On va chercher dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Oh, voilà. Oh, ananas, qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you remember the French word for this? Un stylo. Stylo. I'm gonna go write some notes with this stylo. It's used for writing. Stylo. My friends, you did a great job remembering all the O sound words. Bravo! And merci beaucoup. Thank you for joining me in Ananas. It's a very fun time when you're able to join us. My friends, we're going to say au revoir and then we'll see you in our next lesson. Can you say au revoir, Anana? Au revoir, madame. I'm going to say au revoir, les amis. And then we're also going to say à bientôt. À bientôt means see you soon. À bientôt.